Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am here with a hair review today. I have not done one of these in so long. So I was contacted by a company called Curlsqueen and they asked if I wanted to review some clip-in extensions. And that's definitely, right down my alley because I've kind of moved away from like the full wigs, the lace wigs, simply because I just wasn't liking how lace was looking. So I prefer anything that, shows my natural hairline, my edges, natural parting, that kind of thing. So yeah, Curlsqueen contacted me, asked if I wanted to try some of their clip-ins. I said absolutely. They have a range of textures, probably the biggest range of textures I've seen, and it goes all the way from like your body waves, your water waves, loose waves, all the way to the kinkier textures, and that's where my interest was. So within the coarse textures, they've got your coilies and then they've got the straights, and within the straight textured ones they've got a light yaki, a coarse yaki, and I believe it's kinky straight. So yeah, light yaki is like a silk press. Now when I press my hair, I don't go for the silky look. I like a bit of texture, so I thought let me get the coarse yaki because it's halfway between like a silk press and like a blowout, which is pretty much what I do when I straighten my hair. And then there's the kinky straight. I've got some kinky straight already, so when I saw that they've got coarse yaki, I thought this will be perfect. And you know what, I am not disappointed. This hair is everything that I thought it would be. The texture is incredible. Like, it feels like really thick natural hair that's been pressed. Yeah, it's nice and thick. Like you can feel it from the roots to the tips. So I've been able to achieve a sleek middle part look without too much manipulation. My hair's already been straightened, so I literally just clip these in and it moves. It's got a nice luster to it. All right, so I am wearing as I said, the coarse yaki texture, and just let me check, I'm wearing 20 inches. This is 100% high-grade Brazilian virgin human hair, double wefted and double drawn, and you can see and feel that because it's really thick from the root of the clip-in all the way to the end. You can feel the thickness. It's definitely true to length. It's definitely thick and full from top to end, as I've said. So yeah, everything that it said it is exactly what it is. So yeah, if you're interested to see how I achieved this look, the specs of the hair and all that good stuff, keep watching. And